Assalamu alaikum, all of my lovely students. How have you been, my dear? Hope all is well by the blessings of Almighty Allah. And I hope you all are staying at home safe and sound in this pandemic situation. And Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the blessings of Almighty Allah. This is Nusrat Jahan, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, Class 2, Sector 7. I am so glad to welcome you all. Today is our mathematics class through online. Students, could you remember what was your previous topic? Yes, it was Bangladeshi coins and notes. In this class, you have learned what is currency, what is the name of our currency, and how many types of coins and notes in Bangladesh. So my beloved students, now I would like to ask you some question from your previous topic. So my dear, get ready to give the answer. Can you tell me what is currency? Yes, currency is a medium of exchange for goods and services. So can you tell me what is exchange? Yes, if you give one thing and receive another thing in return. For example, if you want to buy a book from the shop, you have to give the shopkeeper some money to get this book. So here you give the money to the shopkeeper and receive this book to him. So this is called exchange. Now, have you understood what is exchange? I hope you are clear about this. Now, tell me, what is the name of Bangladeshi currency? Yes, I know. Everybody knows the answer. Yes, the name of our currency is Taka. Yes, the name of Bangladeshi currency is Taka. Now, can you tell me how many types of coins are there in Bangladesh? Yes, there are 3 types of coins in Bangladesh. Yes, those are 1 taka coin, 2 taka coin and 5 taka coin. Very good, my dear students. Now, can you tell me coins are made by what? Yes, coins are made by metal. Now, can you tell me notes are made by what? Yes, notes are made by paper. Well done, my dear students, for giving me the correct answer. Okay, my dear students, let's move over today's topic. Yes, today our topic is also Bangladeshi coins and notes. But today's class we will learn how to break up the money. So, before starting the class, let's see what are the coins and notes that are available in our country. Yes, our paper notes are 1 taka note, 2 taka note, 5 taka note, 10 taka note, 20 taka note, 50 taka note, 100 taka note, and look, this is 200 taka note. This note is now regular note in our country. Now 500 taka note and at last 1000 taka note. And look at what are our metal coins. Yes, 1 taka coin, 2 taka coin and 5 taka coin. let's see how can we break up the money. Look at this note. Yes, this is 2 taka note. So how can we break up this money? Yes, to break up this money, we can use 2 1 taka notes. So 2 taka is equal to 1 taka plus 1 taka. So to break up this 2 taka note, we can use 2 1 taka notes. Students, look at this 5 taka note. Now, can you tell me how can we break up this 5 taka note? Let's see. Yes, look, 2 taka note, another 2 taka note, and 1 taka note. So, to break up this 5 taka note, we can use 2 2 taka notes and 1 1 taka note. So 5 taka is equal to 2 taka plus 2 taka plus 1 taka. Or you can break up 5 taka note by using 5 1 taka notes. Yes, my dear, you can use 5 1 taka notes to break up this 5 taka also. So my dear students, always remember one thing, you have to break up the money by using available notes in our country. Students, look at this note. Yes, this is 10 taka note. So how can we break up this 10 taka note? Let's see. Yes, we can use 2 5 taka notes to break up this 10 taka note. So we can tell 10 taka is equal to 5 taka plus 5 taka. Or you can use 5 2 taka notes to break up this 10 taka note. Yes, we can use 5 2 taka notes to break up 10 taka note. Now look at this note. Yes, this is 20 taka note. So my dear students, now let's see how can we break up this 20 taka note. Yes, if we use 2 10 taka notes, we can break up this 20 taka note. So how many 10 taka notes make 20 taka? Can you tell me? Yes, 2 10 taka notes make 20 taka. So we can say 20 taka is equal to 10 taka plus 10 taka. Students, already you know 2 10 taka notes make 20 taka. So my dear students, can you break up this 20 taka note by using 3 notes? Yes, I know you are very smart, you can do. Yes, if we use 1 10 taka note and 2 5 taka notes, then we can break up this 20 taka note also. Okay, so by using 3 notes, we can break up this 20 taka note. So here 2 5 taka notes and 1 10 taka note make 20 taka. So 20 taka is equal to 10 taka plus 5 taka plus 5 taka. Look, or you can use 4 5 taka notes to make 20 taka. Yes, so we can break up this 20 taka by using 4 notes of 5 taka. Students, look at this note. Yes, can you tell me which taka note is it? Yes, look at this note. Yes, the value of this note is 50. That means it is 50 taka note. So, how can we break up this 50 taka? Yes, let's see. Look, 2 20 taka notes and 1 10 taka note make 50 taka. So, to break up this money, we can use 2 20 taka notes and 1 10 taka note. So, 50 taka is equal to 20 taka plus 20 taka plus 10 taka. Or you can break up this 50 taka by using 5 10 taka notes. Yes, so can you tell me how many 10 taka notes make 50 taka? Yes, 5 10 taka notes make 50 taka. Look, this is 100 taka note. So how can we break up this 100 taka? Yes, to break up this 100 taka, we can use 250 taka notes. So here we can tell 100 taka is equal to 50 taka plus 50 taka. Or you can break up this 100 taka by using 5 20 taka notes. So my dear students, can you tell me how many 20 taka notes make 100 taka? Yes, 5 20 taka notes make 100 taka. Students, if we use 10 taka notes, we can break up this 100 taka note. Yes, if we use 10 taka notes, we can break up this 100 taka. So can you tell me how many 10 taka notes make 100 taka? Yes, 10 taka notes make 100 taka. Students, look at this note. Yes, this is 200 taka note. Nowadays, this is the regular note in our country. So my dear students, to break up this 200 taka, we can use 2 100 taka notes. So we can tell here 200 taka is equal to 100 taka plus 100 taka. Students, to break up this 200 taka, we can use also 4 50 taka notes. Yes, to break up this 200 taka, we can use 4 50 taka notes. So my dear students, can you tell me how many 50 taka notes make 200 taka? Yes, 4 50 taka notes make 200 taka. Students, look, this is 500 taka note. So we can break up this 500 taka note by using 2 200 taka notes and 1 100 taka note. So we can tell here 500 taka is equal to 200 taka plus 200 taka plus 100 taka. Or we can break up this 500 taka note by using 5 100 taka notes. Yes, we can break up this 500 taka by using 5 100 taka notes. So how many 100 taka notes make 500 taka? Yes, 5 100 taka make 500 taka. Students, can you tell me which taka note is it? Yes, this is 1000 taka note. So, to break up this money, we can use two 500 taka notes. So, we can tell 1000 taka is equal to 500 taka plus 500 taka. Or, to break up this 1000 taka, we can use 5 200 taka notes also. Or, you can break up this 1000 taka note by using 10 100 taka notes. Yes, 10 100 taka notes. Students, let's practice some break up the money. Okay. First, look, I have written here 2 times 105 taka. So the first one you have to break up by using 3 notes. And the second one you can break up as you wish. The first one you have to use 3 notes. So let's see how can. Yes, 50 taka plus 50 taka plus 5 taka. Yes, here we use 2 50 taka notes and 1 5 taka notes. Now let's see how can we break up this second one. You can use any notes that are available in our country. Yes, first you can use 100 taka plus 5 taka. Yes, 100 taka plus 5 taka. Or you can use 5 20 taka notes plus 1 5 taka note. Students, look at this money. Yes, this is 220 taka. So you will break up this money as you wish. So how can you break up this money? Let's see. Yes, 200 taka plus 20 taka. So here you have used 1 200 taka note and 1 20 taka note. So my dear students, you can break up this money in the other way. Yes, you can use 2 100 taka notes and 1 20 taka note to break up this 220 taka. That means 100 taka plus 100 taka plus 20 taka. Students, look at this money. Yes, this is 1000 taka. And look, I have given here 2 blank boxes. That means you have to use 2 notes to break up this 1000 taka. So, can you tell me how can we break up this money? Yes, 500 taka plus 500 taka. Well done, my dear students. So here you have used 2 500 taka notes to break up 1000 taka. Okay, my dear students, this is time for doing classwork. So open your today's page and write top of the margin today's classwork number and put today's date. After that, write today's topic's name, that is Bangladeshi coins and notes. After that, write question. Break up the money and fill in the blanks. Look at number A, 25 taka. Number B, 75 taka. Number C, 150 taka. Number D, 200 taka. But look here, I have put 2 boxes. So you will break up this money by using 2 notes. And number E, 507 taka. Look here, I have put 3 boxes. That means you have to break up this money by using 3 notes. And number A, B and C, you can break up this money as your wish. That means you have to break up this A, B and C as you wish, but you have to use those notes which are available in our country. Okay, my dear students, now I am giving you some time to break up this money. I hope you have finished your writing. Now let's match your CW copy with me. Look at number A, 25 taka, number B, 75 taka, and number C, 150 taka. Number A, B and C, you will break up this money as your wish. Okay, so now let's see what have you done. 25 taka, 20 taka plus 5 taka. Well done, my dear students. If you write 2 10 taka note and 1 5 taka note, you also correct. Now number B, 75 taka, 50 taka plus 20 taka plus 5 taka. Now look at number C, 150 taka, 100 taka plus 50 taka. If you write 3 50 taka notes, you also correct. Okay, my dear students, look at number D, 200 taka. But I have put here 2 boxes. Yes, that means you have to break up this 200 taka by using 2 notes. Let's see how can you do this. 100 taka plus 100 taka. Well done, my dear students, for writing correct answer. Now let's see number E, 507 taka. Here I am giving you 3 boxes. That means you have to use 3 notes to break up this 507 taka. Let's see. 500 taka plus 5 taka plus 2 taka. Well done, my dear students. I hope everybody has done it correctly. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood today's lesson. Now I would like to ask you some questions from today's lesson as feedback. Get ready to give the answer. Students, look at this note. Yes, this is 200 taka note. So, can you break up this note by using 2 notes? Yes, if you use 2 100 taka notes, then you can break up this 200 taka note. Let's see. Yes, look, 200 taka is equal to 100 taka plus 100 taka. Well done, my dear students, for telling me the right answer. Okay, my dear students, look at this note. Yes, this is 100 taka note. Can you break up this money by using 5 notes? Yes, if you use 5 20 taka notes, you can break up this 100 taka note. Let's see. 100 taka is equal to 20 taka plus 20 taka plus 20 taka plus 20 taka plus 20 taka. Look here, we use 5 20 taka notes to break up this 100 taka. Well done, my dear students, for telling the right answer. Students, look at this note. Yes, this is 1000 taka note. So, how can we break up this money by using two notes? Can you guess? Yes, if we use two 500 taka notes, we can break up this 1000 taka note. Let's see how can. Yes, 1000 taka is equal to 500 taka plus 500 taka. So, yes, here we use two 500 taka notes to break up this 1000 taka. So, my dear students, I hope you have understood today's lesson very well. Students, now take out your diary. Yes, today your homework is practice break up the money at home. Thank you, my dear students, for watching today's class. So, no more today. See you again with another class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay safe and stay healthy.